whether you will enjoy this video. Yeah, I don't know whether you will enjoy this video. The reason I have decided to make this video is that I can show you this is onions. Those are onions grown somewhere behind the house, and instead of keeping that small piece of land behind your house and you have planted nothing. Yeah, you have planted nothing. Instead you're supposed to plant something little that can help you. Yani ukienda pahali kama Nairobi utapata watu wamepanda kitunguu kwa mikebe, spinach kwa mikembe, ama utapata wamepanda kitu kama sukuma wiki kwa mikembe, and actually they are trying to plant some food. Yeah, wanajaribu kupanda chakula, and hizo chakula zinaweza wasaidia kukula sometimes, si kupanda tu vitu zenye haziwasaidii. Yeah, they are planting something they can save them from maybe being hungry. Yeah, kitu yenye inawasaidia waezi kaa njaa hivyo sana. Anyway guys, and I wanna show you this is the land of which is grown onions, and today is on Sunday, and I just want to wish you a happy day. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.